but staring at herself that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize it hurts her so much. But all that pain just not helping at all, 'cause he's a kid to keep inside of a trouble. So he goes on and makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying in the garden. Listen to me, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving to die. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the